In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save PDFs to Google Drive from Chrome. Fix today here, let's begin. First, open the Google Chrome browser on your computer. Then locate and open the PDF file or web page you want to save inside a Chrome tab. Once the PDF is open, look at the top right corner of the built-in PDF Viewer toolbar and click the Save to Drive icon. If prompted, select the Google account you want to use, then click Save, and Chrome will automatically upload the file to your Google Drive inside a folder called Save from Chrome. Another method is by using the Print menu, press Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on Mac to open the print settings. On the right-hand side, click the drop-down menu next to Destination, then click See More and look for Save to Google Drive in the list. If you don't see that option available, select Save as PDF instead. Save the file to your computer first, then upload it manually to Google Drive afterward. Once your destination is selected, click the Blueprint or Save button at the bottom of the settings panel. The PDF will then be uploaded or saved based on the option you selected. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.